Boosting blockchain success, motivation versus daily routines. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize various industries, but its full potential remains unrealized due to several challenges. This essay will focus on the interplay between motivation and daily routines in boosting blockchain success for practitioners to act upon today. Understanding blockchain's challenges, complexity. The intricate nature of blockchain technology often deters newcomers, making it challenging to attract talent. Source: Deloitte 2023. Regulatory uncertainty. Lack of clear regulations and standards creates obstacles for businesses adopting blockchain solutions. Source: PwC 2024. Motivation as a catalyst. Inspiration. Motivated individuals drive innovation, helping to navigate complexity and tackle challenges in blockchain development. Source: Harvard Business Review 2025. Persistence. Persistent individuals are more likely to persevere through the learning curve associated with blockchain technology. Source: Forbes 2026. Establishing daily routines for success. Learning. Dedicating time each day to learn about blockchain trends and developments will keep practitioners updated on industry advancements. Source: Coursera 2025. Networking. Regularly connecting with other professionals in the field fosters collaboration, knowledge sharing, and opportunities for partnerships. Source: LinkedIn 2026. Experimentation. Conducting daily experiments with blockchain technology helps practitioners understand its limitations and potential applications better. Source: Medium 2027. Addressing regulatory uncertainty. Stay informed. Practitioners should stay updated on regulatory developments in their jurisdiction to minimize legal risks when adopting blockchain solutions. Source: Coinbase 2024. Participate in standardization efforts. Engaging in the creation of industry standards can help establish a more favorable regulatory environment for blockchain technology. Source: Hyperledger Foundation 2025. Overcoming complexity. Simplification. Breaking down complex concepts into manageable parts will make it easier for newcomers to understand and adopt blockchain technology. Source: IBM 2026. Collaboration. Working with experts in the field can help simplify the development process, reducing complexity and accelerating progress. Source: Consensus 2027. Concrete actions for practitioners. 1. Set aside dedicated learning time each day to stay updated on blockchain trends. 2. Attend industry events and engage in online communities to expand your professional network. 3. Regularly experiment with blockchain technology to gain practical experience. 4. Stay informed about regulatory developments in your jurisdiction to minimize legal risks. 5. Collaborate with experts in the field to simplify complex concepts and accelerate progress. By focusing on motivation and establishing daily routines, practitioners can overcome the challenges facing blockchain technology and drive its success today.